2 artists, 2 acrylic marker sets, and 1 chunky pet. Hi our friends, this week we're back with a challenge from no other than Arrtx, who have kindly sponsored today's video.
Anyway, when Arrtx asked if I'd be interested in receiving some more sets from them, I was like, heck yes, because I was low-key planning on buying some of these myself anyway, especially the anime set, so I'm really hyped to get swatching with those.
Oh.
Well, looky what we have here.
I can't believe they sent us 2 as well, I'm very excited. Can we just mention, no stickers on the ends, that'll save you some time.
Yeah, all printed on this time.
Oh, it's
on the
amazing!
And they've made the boxes more compact, so it's
I
like...
was thinking they look a bit smaller.
Yeah, it's like a smaller design to fit better on your desk.
I like that. This set we're going to be focusing more on, which is kind of like an anime themed set, which I'm kind of hyped about.
Yeah.
And there's also this one, which is like sort of like brights and fluorescents and things. Still very good, but I mean, it's an anime set. Can you blame me?
Ooh, and this set has it looks like a bunch of like neons and some metallics included.
Oh, it does. Look how bright those ones are at the bottom. Ooh.
Okay, I want to swatch the anime markers first.
Yes.
It's such a pretty box.
It's such a cute box. And the same as before, guys, when we used these last time. You didn't get to pump these. They're just ready to use.
Look at this. There's no kind of like ball bearing or anything in it. You just take off the lid and then you just start painting with
No
it.
shaking, no balls. It's wonderful.
So I was wondering what the difference was between these two sets. And you know, I love comparing
Oh my god, it's like her favourite
acrylic
thing.
marker sets. We've got an Arrtx video where we've done that in the past. This one is the anime set, and this one is, I've called it Brights, but technically it's not called Brights.
Hey, they are bright though. Look at those things.
Yeah, so what I wanted to say is that the anime one, I've noticed, has a lot more sort of like pastel-y and dreamy kind of colours.
Ooh.
And something that I haven't seen anyone like particularly say anything about it, but it's got a really nice range of different grey tones. Like there's some cool grey tones over here.
Oh, yeah.
There's some warm grey tones.
I wonder if that's for like to give her like a manga or screen tone effect.
Oh yeah, that's actually
think
a
that-
good point.
Yeah, that's what I think when I see them anyway.
I'm noticing over in the bright set, obviously we have got, if I wiggle the page you might see,
Oh!
we have got a bunch of these metallics. So
Oh,
this
is that like a blue one?
yeah, a blue, a green. The kind of like jewel tones is how I'd describe it. We've got some darker tones as well. And one of the biggest differences between these sets is that this one comes with the really bright neon colours, which I really like.
That yellow is melting my brain.
I
it's
love
so
it.
bright.
I am obsessed with this pink and purple. These are really pretty colours.
I think I'm a pastel queen. I'm going to use the anime.
Yeah, I do think maybe more so like the average artist that is going to use these for like painting pictures. You might get more use because there's more like colours to sort of blend with and stuff over here.
So do you think there's more range in the anime
Whereas
set?
I feel like the brights are more useful if you do things like crafting and you do things with a lot of... It depends if you use a lot of like metallics and neons.
Oh, okay. Now check this out, guys. I can't believe this, right? And this isn't bias, I'm going to prove it. Arrtx is the best sponsor ever. Why? Because not only did they send us all of those markers, check this out. They sent these canvases for us to make the artwork on that we're going to do today, which is pretty cute, you know, pretty sweet. Not only that, they also sent us little easels to display them on, which is adorable, isn't it? They're so small. Not only that, but I'll put on screen the email that they said. They suggested that we make artwork for Macaroni, the guinea pig. So that's what we're going to do today. As you guys know, I struggle with colour because I'm colourblind, duh. So Steph has very generously helped pick out a colour palette for me, and just look at this colour palette that she's picked out. It's colours that I'm going to use and need, but don't they go together so well? It's so like bubblegum core, it's so like pastel-y and cute. Oh, look how smooth that goes down. Shut up. No, that goes down so smooth. This isn't sponsor me talking. This is me saying this is factual me. This is going down so smooth. Look at that. Oh my god. There's no streaks. What the heck? Look. Oh Lord. I can't believe that. Look at it. I'm speechless. Like, I've never coloured in a large amount of something with a marker that's never been streaky. This is like magic to me. If they're all like this,
Wow, look at that canvas.
Isn't it amazing? It dries so quick. I can't believe how fast these things dry. Another thing I want to do, because I'm focusing on the background first, I'm kind of trying to work from the back forwards, if that makes sense. I want to do some clouds, because this is going to be themed in the sky. So I was thinking of just doing some nice, friendly clouds. Now, because I'm going over it, I'm using white over blue. I might have to go over it a couple of times, which is fine. You know,
It also depends on the tone that you're going for, because you might not want 100% white clouds.
That's true, but I do.
Okay.
I want like vivid. Oh, I want them to be vivid and fluffy. Oh, mine is going to have macaroni in it, I've decided.
Oh, and they've got cute little faces.
I was inspired by Mario. But you know, Mac can't fly because he's a guinea pig.
That makes sense.
And he's a bit heavy. He's a heavy boy. So I was thinking, I've got an orange here, which is kind of a bit of a giveaway. What if it was floating on some kind of like plush magic carrot?
Oh.
I'm going to do like the outline. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that orange. Whoa. Oh. Kind of looks like a giant turd. But it's all right. Trust me, it'll look like a carrot when it's done. This video is just going to be me grunting at how good they are, because I can't believe how good that is.
Yeah, considering that's basically the first coat that you put in
The first one on this orange, yeah, you've seen me, you've seen me just do it now. It's incredible. It looks like a giant cheese puff. Now, I was just thinking, hun, what do you think would be the best way to show off Mac? From the front or the behind?
I was going to say the front. He's got a very cute face.
He does have and big flappy ears too.
I've been doing some teeny tiny little thumbnail studies to try and sort of figure out what I want to do. And I'm thinking of having like macaroni standing on top of like a piece of broccoli. How come this carrot looks like it's like raining?
It's red. It's sprinkling carrot magic across the land.
Carrot magic?
Yeah, but I feel like I should move on and get like Mac in.
Yeah, where's macaroni?
I'm gonna have him he's sort of leaning over it sleepily. So I'm gonna get, oh gosh, he's gonna be a big man, so.
He is a big man.
Kind of like that.
I love how many layers that you've been doing with this.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I really want to push these because in the first video we did of these, I was a little bit nervous because I'd never really used like acrylics or anything before. But again, these markers have been so good to me in that they're so forgiving. I've been wanting to be more adventurous and be a bit more brave with them. I just realised I did all that detail on the carrot and I'm going to go over it. Oh well. The orange might be my favourite one so far. It's like fantastic. I love the orange. It's so good.
I've done some little colour thumbnails.
Oh, look how cute they are.
Like obviously these are just like little miniature versions.
Yeah.
I'll put a lot more detail into like the finished thing. But I like that this one looks like he's a magical anime girl.
As you can see, I've tried to add Mac in. Don't know if I've done a good job of his shape, but
he's a bean shape.
He is a big bean shape, he is.
Oh, and you've got his eyelashes.
Because he has gorgeous eyelashes.
Just like you.
Everyone knows that guinea pigs have whiskers. And at the minute, Mac ain't got no whiskers. Do you think we should like do some little whiskery lines? Do you think that's allowed? I'm asking Steph for help because I'm nervous. Okay, I'll do a couple on each side. Because he needs whiskers because he's a guinea pig, so.
What do you think?
Not the end of the world. I think I could have done them a bit thinner. I think I was a bit heavy-handed because I was a nervous boy. But that's okay. I quite like that so far. Alright, so enough messing. I'm just going to go straight in. We're going to be brave. Oh, there's no going back now. What I might do is just get the basic shape in and then try and like beef it up. I'll like clean it up and everything. But you know, does it look like a Japanese like style thing?
Yeah, it
That's
does.
what I'm going for, you know. Ooh, we've got quite the array of markers here. Are these your palette that you've picked out?
Yeah, I've got a ton of different colours that I brought along with me.
That's exciting. That's a big canvas for you.
I normally draw on like little tiny
I know
things.
that's That's bigger than like the sketchbook that she would use, any kind of paper she would use. This is quite a big deal for her. Can we just talk about how smooth those are going down?
I'm only on my first coat.
It blows my mind. Look at it! By the way, hun, subtle mention. You haven't had to shake or pump that marker once, and look at it, it's still oozing goo out. It's amazing!
Goo. You can also use acrylic markers on things like wood and on stone.
Yeah, fabric, stone, wood, plastic. Not your friends. Who's this artiste hard at work? Look at that!
I know, with my little beret and like my little easel.
So cute! What's your opinion on broccoli, hun?
I like it raw, but I hate it when it's been cooked.
Good grief. You did such a good job with that, Brock. Look at that. And you used like different colours on the lines. Ooh, this is looking so cute, hun.
It's fun playing with like the thickness.
Yeah, because they're brush tipped. Mm-hmm. It kind of reminds me of ice cream, the swirlies that you've been doing. Like if this was an illustration that you could eat, it would taste very sort of sweet and maybe like bubble gum. Maybe it's because it's very pink, I don't know. I always feel like with the eyes, it always comes to life with Steph's artwork when she starts doing like eyes and expressions and things. Oh, look at him, he's like, oh.
Look at those big ruby gems.
Oh, I love them. Yeah, we call them rubies because Mac has like a type of red eyes that are called rubies.
We'll have to put the picture on screen because we've actually got one of his
yeah,
eyes.
Don't get freaked out. That's just the light reflecting on him. He's harmless. Okay, the gallery is set. We just need the art critiquer himself to come and see.
Here he is.
Which one do you like, Mac? No!
Oh wait, no, he's going to mine. No, he's going off the table in general.
Mac, your balls are a piece of art, but what about these, babe?
Hello.
Babe, I need you to pick a painting so we have a winner, sweet. So which one do you like the best?
Oh.
You know the wall isn't part of the gallery, sweet. You're gonna tell me? Hello, sweet. That's the camera.
12 seconds later.
No kissing it. Okay, that's fine. No, you're not allowed to kiss. Mine wins, that's fine. No kissing the canvas. But speaking of Arrtx, guys, did you know we did another Arrtx video recently? Why not check that out on screen right now? And like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle date. Mac!